In this video, we are going to show you how to encrypt or password protect an Excel spreadsheet on Windows. Let's begin. We will be showing the default Excel method in this video. Let's see how. Open the Microsoft Excel program on Windows. Now open the spreadsheet that you want to password protect on your device. Click on File at the top. Click on Info from the sidebar. Click on Protect Workbook. Now just add a password to encrypt the contents of this file and hit OK. Re-enter the password again and click OK. From now on, whenever you or anyone tries to access the Excel file, the app will present you with a dialog box to enter the password. Type the correct password and hit OK to access the file data. Hope this video has helped you learn something new. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.